Hello and welcome to Manika IAS. Today we are going to study the most important topic that came in today's newspaper related to money bill. It says that the Supreme Court is going to look into the issue of money bills to pass laws. Basically there are certain bills and amendments that has been done by the government, making it as a money bill. So, what is the issue regarding it? What is a money bill? These are some pressing questions that we are going to look. And the highlighted portion also shows that how you can make content from the exam point of view, both in prelims and mains, that can be asked, and you can solve those questions. So you can take a note of it, how you can actually go about preparing from the newspaper through this video. So the questions that we are going to see in this video is: what is a money bill? What is the issue if a bill is passed or let's say amended like a money bill? The third is which bills have been passed as a money bills in the past? So answering the first question, what is a money bill? A money bill is something which has been talked in the constitution, article 110. So this is most important article, and it can be asked directly in the prelims examination. A money bill is deemed to contain only provisions dealing with all or any of the matters under clauses A to G of Article 110, Clause 1, largely including the appropriation of money from the Consolidated Fund of India, that is CFI, and taxation. If we have to put it in a simple words, a money bill is restricted only to specified financial matters. Okay, the next question is, what is the issue? Okay, even if a bill is passed or amended as a money bill, what is the issue related to it? The issue related to it is that in case of money bill, Rajya Sabha, that is the upper house of the parliament, has limited powers. The Rajya Sabha has restricted powers with regard to a money bill, that it can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. The money bill can introduced in only in the Lok Sabha, and that too on the recommendation of the president. The decision of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is final. His decision in this regard cannot be questioned in any court of law or in either house of the parliament or even by the president. So we can see that Rajya Sabha has very limited powers, and the Speaker has more powers in the Lok Sabha as compared to other bills when we take money bill into consideration. Rajya Sabha also cannot reject or amend a money bill. It can only make certain recommendations. Also, Rajya Sabha must return the bill to the Lok Sabha within 14 days, whether with or without recommendation. So let's say a bill has been passed in Lok Sabha and given to Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha has only 14 days, to take a call on it. If they do not take any call on it, it is passed by Lok Sabha as it is. Even if some recommendations are given, the Lok Sabha has the right to accept or reject it, and there is no remedy for Rajya Sabha in this regard. So that's why it has been contested that if a government has a majority in Lok Sabha, it has overriding powers and it can pass any bill, giving it a shape of money bill. So that is the major contention. So we see which bills have been passed as money bill in the past. The number one which has been contended is Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Here in this act, there has been certain amendments made through the money bills, giving the ED, that is Enforcement Directorate, almost blanket powers to arrest raids. So the opposition has claimed that the government is using ED as a tool in order to satisfy its own needs and demands. That is to be contested obviously in the Supreme Court. The Finance Act of 2017 has also made some major changes. 19 key judicial tribunals. Petitioners have questioned whether this would extend executive control over these institutions and tribunals. So here also, with the help of these tribunals, the ruling government can have certain impact on the opposition parties. The third is the Aadhaar Act. Supreme Court verdict in 2021 refused to review its 2018 judgment of K. Puttaswamy case. It actually upheld the validity of the Aadhaar Act and obviously giving it that it can be passed as a money bill. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for the next video. See you. Thank you.